Hello, good evening everyone. This is Baker's Bay. This is our salad station. This is colorful salad station. Guava masala, grillfish, vegetable salad, mixed salad. This is salad. This is sushi. This is our chef. This is colorful soup. Thai clear vegetable soup. Yeah, this is our cream of chicken soup. This is our appetizers, vegetable corn, filtered vegetable tempura, and fish fingers, and chicken shami kebab. This is our main protestant. He is Mr. Meenal Kumar. He always like the mutton curry or mutton biryani. He is Mr. Shohak. He is in charge for night. This is Mr. Aslam. Such good brothers. This is our restaurant. So welcome to Golden Tulip, the Grand Mar Dhaka. Thank you.